Let's explore the newest agritourism destination in Gingoog City. The Grove at Highway 955 in Claveria Road, Gingoog, Misamis Oriental, Northern Mindanao, Philippines. The Grove is a 76 hectares tourism complex located at Sitio, Civoleg, Lunotan, Gingoog City, a perfect place to unwind and relax in Gingoog City. The Grove is situated 723 meters above sea level, making its weather climate colder than Tagaytay.
Dad ako balik dito padulong sa dunapay kita tumano na to pag-usap ang katamis sa gipalumpata.
So tara, let's explore Tagaytay of Northern Mindanao.
Mga panaan, tanggianog sa lawo dumanog tao way nabilin paghunas akong kukuron ang kaumaon bahalag malumos sandang ko babawi lang tanan no mabalik ka diri sa